Hey staffingpreneurs, D. Williams here. I have a question for you. So first question, how many times have you gone out, called or reached out to a hiring manager and they said, send me some more information, or send me your pricing sheet, or what is your pricing? And you were sitting there kind of like, what do I do next? Well, today I want to talk to you about how to build your pricing sheet, which is a part of the pre-sales lead package. And this will save you so much time and it will help sell your business to employers. Are you ready to dive in with some more information? If so, say yes. Okay, let's do it. Hi, my name is Dee Williams, and I show professionals just like you how to set up, start, run, and scale your very own niche recruitment and staffing business. And today we are talking about building out your pricing sheet. Now, this is a big deal because a lot of people who are just starting a staffing business have no clue whatsoever as to what a pricing sheet is, how to develop a pricing sheet, where to get the pricing, and then what to do with it after you submit it to the client. Like, what happens next and what goes with the pricing sheet. We actually have another course that's coming up, How to Create Your Winning Sales Sheet, which is a part of this process. So it's your pricing sheet, your sales sheet, and then a couple of other things. But this course in particular is regarding how to set up your pricing sheet. And let me tell you something, if you don't have one, you're behind the ball. You 100% need a pricing sheet. Now, what's a pricing sheet? A pricing sheet is a sheet where you tell the employer what your prices are for a particular role and or roles that you're filling within your niche recruitment and staffing business. And this is something that you're going to give out daily. You're going to give it out weekly. You're going to give it out monthly. And this sheet is going to change over and over and over and over and over again based on the roles that you're filling, based on the locations that you're filling those roles in, based on the type of service that you're providing. There are so many different factors. But I guess my biggest question to you today is, one, do you know what a pricing sheet is? Two, do you have a pricing sheet? And three, are you ready to learn how to make the best pricing sheets on the planet? If the answer is yes, then I really want you to dive into this course that I have, which is How to Create a Winning Pricing Sheet for Your Niche Recruitment and Staffing Business. This is a masterclass. We're going to dive into all the aspects of creating the perfect pricing sheet for your niche recruitment and staffing business. Now, we talk about this lightly in my setup course. Here, we're going to dig into the nitty gritty and pull all the layers back, every layer you can possibly think of, to make sure you're creating the most exciting pricing sheet, the most professional pricing sheet, and a pricing sheet with the right prices, right? So get into this course. You 100% need it if you really are trying to understand how to set yourself apart from the competition, trying to figure out how to make that magic happen when you're working with and talking to hiring managers. This course is going to be everything you freaking need. So I'm not sure where the link is. It's somewhere around here. Find the link. Go and join the live class. You're absolutely not going to regret it, and I look forward to seeing you there.